Hey guys, Eric here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys some secret gems to increasing your credit score and getting you to the credit score that you deserve. So stick around, stay tuned, and we finna dive into it. Let's go. The reason I got involved in credit was because I have a passion for helping people. I was one of the people that tried to repair his credit on his own. I tried to go through a lot of different companies. I even joined a network marketing company because they had credit repair, and I knew how powerful it was. And so during my journey of doing that company or being in that company, I got the understanding that their process for repairing credit, they were just stringing me out for money. So I didn't like that, you know. So I'm sitting here and I'm like, okay, hey, I need to figure out a way that to fix my credit. And then I started seeing so many other videos about people getting things removed off their credit in 30 days and 20 days and sweeps and all kinds of stuff. So I decided to do my own research and start fixing my own credit myself, right? The reason I wanted to do that is because I needed to take charge of my life and I didn't want to depend on nobody else. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you some of the gems and hidden gems that I found and that I did in order to fix my credit score and change my life. So if you liking what you're hearing so far, go ahead and hit that like button and hit the subscription button to get all my up-to-date videos. And when I post new videos, you need to go ahead and smash that bell so that when all the new videos come out, you'll be the first one to get it and you won't miss out on all the hidden gems, right? So as I was on my journey in credit repair, man, I started learning, I started diving, I started digging, and I found these hidden gems, right, to creating a better life through credit and also changing my life tremendously, because we all know credit is a big impact on your life. So tip number one, what you want to do is you want to freeze the secondary credit reporting agencies. And you're like, Eric, what is that? Well, I'll put a video up here where I talked about the different credit repair reporting agencies, and I go through a list of them, of the ones that you need to go and freeze. And so just go ahead and click the button. It should be somewhere up here at the top. But what you want to do, you want to go ahead and freeze those reports to those secondary reporting agencies. The reason why is the credit bureaus, they go to those agencies to get the information in order to verify what's on your credit report. So if they can't verify the information, then how can they keep things on your credit? They have to remove it per the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So what you want to do is you want to freeze those accounts. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're paying your bills on time, right? Because a lot of times we're not doing the necessary things that we have to do in order to take care of what we have to take care of. When it comes to credit, right? Changing your credit score, it's all about your habits, right? It's all about your habits. You need to be paying your bills on time. You need to be paying your bills, understanding the statement date and the due date when you pay your bills, right? And I have another video that I'll talk about that up here as well. So definitely check that out. But the difference and I'll give you a quick rundown, but check out that video. But the difference is the statement date. That's the date that it reports to the credit bureaus. The due date, that's the last date before it goes and be reported on the credit bureaus as late payment. You do not want to have late payments. Pay your bills on the statement date, right? Because you have a certain time frame that you need to do it, right? So on the statement date, when you pay your bill on the statement date, you can make two payments, right? This is a good hack, right? I'm gonna give y'all this tip, right? So you want to pay it on the statement date. Pay half or whatever. If you want to be within the 2 to 7 credit limit, right? So when you do that, you want to make sure that you're in between the 2 to 7 credit utilization limit, right? Now you want to make two payments. You're going to pay one before the statement date, and then you're going to pay the next one before the due date. To the credit bureaus, it looks just like you made two payments, right? Which is going to make your credit scores go up, right? And so again, check out that video where I talked about the statement dates and the due dates. Now, the third thing, what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're not over using your credit cards, credit limits, your credit utilization. right? Because there are two things that impact your credit the most. That's payment history, right? And credit utilization. Do you pay your bills on time? And are you overspending money that you don't even have, right? So you want to make sure that you're keeping your utilization down between 2 to 7%. Now, keeping it under 30% is great, but to get the max, to maximize the credit score, your credit score going up the most, you want to keep it between 2 to 7%, right? And the third thing, right? The third and most important thing, right? You want to make sure that you are doing things the right way. You want to make sure that you're getting the right information. You want to make sure that you are going to, if you're doing your research, make sure that you're researching everything. Take time, understand it. Yeah, you got to get the right mentality. Understanding that credit takes time, right? There are some things that you can do to get things removed very fast. And unfortunately, I did another video about the 24-hour TransUnion hack, where I was showing people what they need to do, how to go in and remove things off the TransUnion accounts, negative items off the TransUnion reports, and it took like five minutes to 24 to 72 hours for it to be removed. But of course, when a lot of people are getting that information, TransUnion kind of changed up some things. But what you can do, you need to go and take your credit serious. You still can send out your letters. There's a way to send out letters. I have the 609 letters. I'll put it should be in the comment section below. Check that out. But you can use those letters to get things removed off your credit. You have to understand that it is a process. It's not going to happen overnight. I'm sorry, guys. It's not going to happen overnight. Like it takes time to remove things off your credit. But once you remove those things off your credit, what are you going to do? Because now you have to have a balance. So you need to have a good credit card mix when it comes to having a great credit score. If you're reaching to get to the 800s, you have to have a good mix. Meaning you have to have a good number of credit cards. You have to have a good number of primary accounts. You have to have a good number of real estate or something like that. You have to have a good credit mix, meaning that you have an array of different things that make up your credit score. That's going to make you more appealing. It's going to make you more attractive, and that's going to help you get the best results. So, hey guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get all the up-to-date videos, go ahead and hit that smash that bell for me so that you can get all my up-to-date videos. And hey guys, stay tuned to the next one. If you like this video, you'll definitely like these videos that I got right here. I'm dropping more knowledge and gems on you guys so that you can live a better life, a changed life, and have a great credit score and the credit score that you need to attain the things that you want to attain. So until next time, guys, be blessed. I love you. I'll see you on the next video.